Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Thai Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stir-fry noodle or Phad See Ew with chicken, which is very well known in Thailand. This dish will make your day. Trust me. Let's see the ingredients first. Chinese kale. You can find this only in Asian shop. If you cannot find it, don't worry, you can use the broccoli instead. For the noodle, I will show you how to make it. Super easy, please keep watching. For the kale, we need to separate the stem and leaves because the stem takes longer to cook, so we cannot do them at the same time. Slice them into thin pieces. Cut the chicken in half first before slicing them into thin pieces. I use 2 chicken breasts. Prepare warm water in a tray, large enough for the rice paper, because the paper needs to absorb the water all around. Put them one by one and make sure that you add enough water to cover the sheet. Wait 1 to 2 minutes only, not so long. Check if they change in color to white and soft, that means ready to use. Cut them all together in one time. Divide into 4 parts and take one each, put in the mixed bowl. Some oil, olive oil is fine, and also sweet black sauce and mix by hand well until the noodle become brown. Set the pan on high heat, add a tablespoon of oil, add the garlic and stir until you get this nice garlic smell. Add the chicken, stir until cooked or almost cooked, and then add the stem part of kale, stir together and leave them on the side. Wait a bit, then add eggs. Stir like scramble until egg cooked. Add kale leaves and keep stir frying them until the leaves have shrunk. Make space for noodle in the pan. After, add all the sauce, soy sauce, seasoning sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and mix well together. I add a bit more of sweet black sauce to get some color. Mix well once again and then turn off the heat. Pour over some black pepper powder at the end. Place in the plate or bowl. Serve with lime and chili powder on the side. And enjoy. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and see you for the next time.